Kentucky, Bobby Bentley. Injured in a very serious agricultural accident last year. Glad he's back on the track. This is a tough vehicle. It's called Under Pressure. Watch it, wristband. He is south. Oh yeah. How about it, Red fans? Give him a round of applause. And I'll tell you, Bob, there ain't nothing like the sound of a nice guy. Does a lot of engine work for these guys out here in the class as well. So let's see what he can do. 766 International Harvester.
And you know, Tom, these tractors are 6,000 pounds. They really have to do some magic to get these guys down to 6,000 pounds. They normally weigh a lot more than that.
Pick up the Howes Lube Lead distance partner, but we'll see. See what that tractor's doing. Tomorrow night's NBC. Jerry wants to win. He wants to win bad. So let's see what he can do. The family driven. International fans, you got a Ford in the lead. This guy could shake it up. Let's see what he can do. Here comes Brad Powell. No cigar there for the Cut Loose machine. Give him a round of applause, fans.
But I'll tell you what, he was glued to the track all the way down.
All right, folks.
Better shut down.
If you look down on the start line, you'll see the River City Truck Parts sign. That's the 75-foot mark. Come on, Lewis, get that boost up. Is he going to get it lit? Now, that turbo surging. It's going to go down. When you hear that chirp on the Charger, it's almost no hope. Folks, give Lewis Conner a round of applause. Hate to see that happen out here tonight. Turn the tractor over. He's taken a lot of wild rides in his life, but it's still the same chassis off that old D21 that was pulling 35 years ago. It's been modified.
As you explained the evolution of this tractor, you nearly explained the evolution of Allis Chalmers all the way to AGCO today. That it was a John Deere. Tested these in farms down south, and in 1960, at a big John Deere dealer show in Dallas, Texas, they rolled it out. So, 3 generations of John Deere.
John Deere fans, give him a round of applause. How about it for the Kentucky sled hunter?
Or to identify them for the 76 years. So what International did was put that hockey strip, hockey puck stripe on it. They call it the black stripe. Oh, going good. Blew something there.
Victory last year in LaGrange, Kentucky. Where are my Alice Chalmers fans? Here comes Ben Bowen.